What about that one?
Cultural suicide.
Cultural suicide. Here's the other ingredient. You cut off your people from economic empowerment because some of y'all are so damn cutthroat that you prevent your brothers from having access to capital, wealth. You talk bad about his business. You talk bad about her business. You don't want them to have access to nothing. In the podcast world, in the economic business world, in the educational world, you banging on each other's schools. My school is better. What are you talking about? Damn.
Yeah.
Can we just shut up and realize that we have good things going on and continue to promote the fact that we have good things happening?
Come on.
We act as if it's going to take away from our brother Caleb if Brother Reza goes on another podcast to be interviewed over here. You got some weird people out here, brother.
Yeah.
Who genuinely have this deep egotistical feeling that if I see someone going over there, it's going to take away from what I'm doing over here. No, this enemy sees us as one people.
That's right.
We have to see ourselves as one people. Again, I had a circumstance yesterday where, because we're talking about separation, the Honorable Minister Farrakhan said, separation, one, is the extreme. That's the last resort. What the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad taught, that is the ultimate thing right there. That is, if we cannot get along with you in peace together in any of these areas,
we've tried.
We've tried. You know, and sometimes maybe they have done some good here or there. Okay, but overall, as a community, we have not been able to.
That's right.
So therefore, separate spiritually, mentally, emotionally. Then you get into the physical, financial, economic, educational, familial. Then you get into the agricultural, because we do not eat the same foods. Right? You have to get into all these areas to separate. And what does that mean? Establish it for yourself. Now, if y'all want to come spend your dollars over here to buy what we produce in our food and all that, hey, feel free. But our people get priority first, right? Just like everybody else. So the separation takes steps it happens in stages and degrees.
Yeah.
I had a brother walk up to me yesterday when I was going into a black-owned restaurant, which means we're both eating the same food. And he says, Brother Reza? I said, yes, sir. Before he shook my hand, he said, well, let me ask you this question.
Hey,
let me ask you a question. No, really, right? Before he shook my hand,
That's
as if I introduced myself to you.
Right.
Okay.
Mind your business.
Okay, brother. No, I mean, like, really, in real talk, in real life,
sure.
you know how I am. I'm a good brother. I'm not that kind of standoffish.
Yeah.
But don't get it twisted. If you're going to treat me like an enemy, I don't care what you look like. If you run up on me, you're going to get handled with all the business. Because some of our people have lost their mind.